Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy this Toshi meme coin, and it's pretty simple to do. First of all, it is on base network, so you need to know this, and also you want to go ahead and copy this address, which we're gonna use. Now let's click on markets, and as you can see it's on Uniswap, so we're gonna use Uniswap for today. Go to app.uniswap.org, and from here you can go ahead and swap tokens. But basically, to swap a token, you need to go ahead and connect a wallet. So you want to go ahead and click connect right there, and you can connect Coinbase, MetaMask, some other wallet, or Uniswap wallet. So for today, let's use, for example, Coinbase. Let's connect it. I have already have the extension of Coinbase. Now, after this, you want to go ahead and choose a network base right there. And after this, you want to select a token. So a token, of course, we're gonna paste the address we just copied. Here it is, Toshi. Now, as you can see, there is base token bridge. You can go ahead and read about it here. But basically, you enter the amount which you want to buy of Toshi, and that's how much ETH it will cost you. And after this, you're just gonna click swap, and it will swap from ETH to Toshi, and that's how you buy it on Uniswap. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.